I was a talker, I was a railway between the wars. I raised a family in time of austerity, which went at the boundary between the wars. I'm making you, as times got harder, I looked to the government to help the working man, but they brought prosperity down at the armory with arming for peace, me boys, between the wars. I kept the faith, I kept voting, not for the iron fist, but for the helping hand. For this is a land with a wall around it, and mine is a faith in my fellow man. This is a land of hope and glory. Mine is the green field and the factory floor. Theirs are the skies dark with bombers, and mine is the peace we knew between the wars. Call up the craftsman, bring me the draftsman, build me a path from cradle to grave, and I'll give my consent to any government that does not deny me a living wage. Never to fight again, bring up the banners from the days gone by. Sweet moderation, heart of this nation, desert us not, we are between the wars.